Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do the same topic, algebraic expression, but next part of it, which is multiplication. We have already done addition and subtraction. Now we'll do multiplication. So how to multiply two monomials? See, our question is minus 6 x raised to 2 yz into 2 by 5 x y raised to 3, and we have to multiply this. So what we are going to do, we will first write this constant part together, which is minus 6 into 2 by 5. Now what we are going to do, see this x raised to 2 and here x raised to 1. So we are writing this as x raised to 2 plus 1 is 3, because base is same. So what we do, we add the powers. Here y raised to 1 and y raised to 3. Nothing is here means 1 is here. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Z term is not here. So we are writing simply it as z. So this becomes minus 12 by 5 x raised to 3 y raised to 4 by z. So this is our multiplication of these two terms. Second example, minus 6 by 7 l square m raised to 4 n square multiplied with 3 by 5 l raised to 3 m square n raised to 4. Again we are going to do the same thing. We will write the constant term together. So this is minus 6 by 7 multiplied with 3 by 5. Now L raised to 2 and L raised to 3. This will become L raised to 5. Because base is same, so we are going to add the powers. Here also m raised to 4 plus 2 is 6. N square n raised to 4. So this will become n raised to 6. Now this is minus 6 into 3, which is 18, plus minus minus, so minus 18 upon 7 5 is 35. L raised to 5, m raised to 6 and n raised to 6. This is the multiplication of these two terms. Third one, find the area of the rectangle with length 3.2 x square and breadth 4.1 x raised to 3. So first we will write the formula of area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth what is length 3.2 x square and breadth is 4.1 x raised to 3. Here we have to multiply two decimal terms. So how to multiply decimal terms? 3.2, 4.1. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Now put a cross here. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So this will become 2. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1. This. Decimal, 1 digit after 1 digit and here also after 1 digit. So we'll put decimal after 2 digits. Now you cannot see a decimal here. So where is decimal? Decimal is here. Now we are going to shift decimal from here to two places. This is first place, this is second place. So answer is, so this is 13.12 x raised to 5, because 2 plus 3 is 5. Fourth example, add the product of 2p square q square and minus 3 by 4 p raised to 3q to the product of minus 5p raised to 4q and pq raised to 2. We'll write multiplication of these two terms first. So 2p square q square, it is multiplied with minus 3 by 4 p raised to 3 q. Second term, minus 5 p raised to 4 q p q square. We'll write plus sign here because we have to add the product of these two terms. Constant together, 2 into minus 3 by 4, p raised to 2, p raised to 3. So this will become p raised to 5. Base is same, add the powers. Q raised to 2 and q raised to 1. This will become q raised to 3. Plus sign, 5 ones are 5. Plus minus, minus. So instead of writing this plus sign, I am writing here minus 5, p raised to 4, p raised to 1. So this will become p raised to 5, q raised to 1, q raised to 2. So this will become q raised to 3. Now you can observe these terms are same, p raised to 5, q raised to 3. So I am taking this out. So this will become 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So minus 3 by 2. This is minus 5. And I am taking these terms common. So I will write this as p raised to 5, q raised to 3. Now taking LCM of these two. 3 ones are 3. So minus 3, 5 twos are 10. Minus 10 upon 2 ones are 2. P raised to 5, q raised to 3. Minus 13 because minus minus plus, and writing it this way, minus sign, p raised to 5, q raised to 3. So this is our answer.